In this video, you will learn how to add Facebook Pixel to WordPress and how to use its powerful features to generate useful information like custom audiences, for example. We all know how important is Facebook marketing, but we found hard to do all the technical stuff that covers the analytics part of the marketing strategy. So, here is a non-techy way to add your Facebook Pixel to WordPress by using the Pixel Caffeine WordPress plugin. Install and activate it like you would any other plugin. Then, go to the new Pixel Caffeine area in your WordPress dashboard sidebar. You can watch the welcome video if you want, then you can go to Settings. I forgot to mention that this plugin is 100% free and is probably the most advanced WordPress plugin to add Facebook Pixel to your site, add conversion tracking, and create laser-focused custom audiences to take your Facebook advertising to the next level. Now, let's get back to the settings. Click on the big green button below or go to the General Settings tab, then click the Facebook Connect button. Once you click that button, you'll see a prompt saying that Pixel Caffeine would like to manage your business. Click OK. Then, you will be taken back to your WordPress dashboard, where you can select your ad account and Pixel ID. Click Apply and you're done. Before moving on, check out the custom audience options and the conversion settings below if you use WooCommerce. Just check here all the information you want to track. The advanced settings represent fine-tunings you can do about how the plugin behaves in different circumstances. Save all changes and that's it. Your Facebook Pixel is now up and running. To take advantage of Pixel Caffeine's more advanced features, you can use the tabs. The first tab is Dashboard, where you can check the activity. The second tab, named Custom Audiences, is exactly where you can create a new audience based on your preferences. You can also add special filters here, with options to include or exclude them. The Conversions Events tab is where you can add new tracking like so, by entering a name first, choosing the trigger from the drop-down list, pasting your URL here, choosing the event, and finally the delay in seconds. If you do advertising for your e-commerce store, turn on the Pass Advanced Data and enter below all the details about your products. Then finally click Create Tracking below. The Product Catalog is a feature you can use only if your Facebook ad account is associated with a business manager. This is a must-have feature for anyone in e-commerce because it can automatically promote all of the products in your store. So, I encourage you to check out the options below. After you finish adding Facebook Pixel to WordPress, you need to do one more thing. Make sure Facebook Pixel is actually working. To do that, you install the Facebook Pixel Helper Chrome extension. Once you have the Chrome extension activated, visit the site where you installed Facebook Pixel. If your Pixel is working, you should see something like this when you click on the extension. And there you go. That's all you need to do to add Facebook Pixel to WordPress. Enjoy your remarketing, conversion tracking, and custom audiences. And if you want to learn more about WordPress for beginners and advanced, check out these videos and then subscribe to get the new videos we publish every Monday and Wednesday. Thanks for watching.